In a rupture disc with a removable safety membrane, the grid and support remain intact when the graphite membrane ruptures. Only the graphite membrane needs to be replaced. The choice to use a membrane is made for two main reasons. Firstly, when the graphite membrane breaks, only it needs to be replaced. The supports remain intact and can be reused. This is ideal for application where the disc often breaks. For example, in the case of a tank cleaning process containing corrosive liquid, or when a preventive maintenance program requires regular disc replacement. Secondly, the membrane can be machined to a very thin thickness. It can therefore burst at very low pressure, much better than a monobloc.